How to change Yahoo search engine to the Google if you are searching something on your Chrome browser and it is searched by default in Yahoo search. So how you can change this to the Google, and I will also show how you can change with the Google Yahoo homepage to the Google search homepage. So I will show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open my Chrome browser here. So you can see if I search something here, it will be searched in Yahoo only by default. So how you can make it in Google Chrome, Google search. So what you need to do, just first step, you have to check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. Just click on three dot option, go to the help and go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see your Chrome is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be update. You start to update when you open it, and you need to relaunch your browser, then open again. Now just click again three dot, go to the settings. Here go to the search engine, and here you can see your search engine maybe in Yahoo. So just click switch to the Google or any other search engine. So I just switch to Google. Now if I search anything, it will be search in Google only. Okay, same way you can change your startup or your home page. Go to the on startup, and here in third option you open the specific page on or set the page. So by default is a Google search engine, but if any other website, here you can change it. You can remove existing and you can add the new. You can new add, just go to the new tab and type Google, copy this and paste here and just add. So it will add here, and you can remove existing and add another one. Okay, so it will be come to the, okay, it should be change the Google homepage. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.